This episode, we're going to show you how to turn your small queen size bed, RV queen is what they call them, into a king size bed, a real king. So let's get started. Okay, so if you have one of these types of RV beds and it's a small queen, the pillows go up there or go down here, and just make sure you have at least this much room. So it's about maybe 18 inches of room for you to come out. So the table can't be sticking way out here, or else it's not going to really work that great. You could probably still do it a little bit, but this would have to be smaller. And what this is your king size bed piece. So as a day bed, you still got a day bed. You can use it as a day bed, but whenever you want to turn it into a king size RV bed, and we're talking king size, you pop those two down, and now you have a king size RV bed. And I'm 6'4.5", so 6'4", and you can see me laying down in here. My feet hang off maybe 5 inches off the end, but that's not an issue because when it was this way, my feet still hung off maybe a couple inches. So for a big guy, it's fine. My feet hang off a little bit, not a problem, as long as my body has equal pressure. Now, you'll see here, I have a cutout here, so I kind of took a piece of wood and cut it in this shape, and I have a cutout here. And these cutouts are just so that I can, leave it up if I need to. You're sleeping in, your wife's sleeping in, and you can just leave this up. You can have your coffee in the morning and still get around the RV. The cutout here so I can go in and out the front door. This is good at night if the dog needs walked. I can just get up, go walk the dog real quick, and come back in. It holds weight. I am almost 280 pounds, and it holds all my weight. I had the two girls on here, my kids. It holds them, so it's not going to break on you. And it's because of the solid structure. So this thing, when I build things, I build them tough. It's going to last forever. I put a piano hinge here, and I can show you this link right here. Will show you the build process of this. It was pretty easy to build, and as you can see, folding up, it's easy. It gives you a king size bed, plenty of room. Oh, and another thing, you can get in and out to go to the bathroom easy, so that was the main reason why I built it. But it folds up like this. You just push the little buttons. That folds down, and now it's a day bed again. Now, the cool thing is, let's say you go to a Crate and Barrel and you need to spend the night. Your slide's in and it's blocking up to here. You can still use this as a day bed. You can go to sleep on this thing. Just because your slide's in, it's still accessible. So that's a good plus on it. And access to your stuff underneath, it still is accessible. So it's easy to get to. Push that down. And because this is here, it adds maybe 4 inches of padding here. I can still sit on here. It's still a good sitting area. So I think it's just the best of both worlds of I can make a king bed, when I want to. Tons of space. And I've already slept on this thing many, many nights. It's very comfortable and cheap. Cheap and easy to do. So if you're looking for a good way to have a king size bed so that you and your significant other can go to sleep easy at night and go to the bathroom without waking the other one up, this is the way to do it.